Hi dear participants, friends. So once again, warm welcome to you all. So this is third day of your training, and in this third day we have one module, and in this module there are two tutorials. One is that is based on how to make HD thumbnail in a simple way, and second that Datta sir will tell you how to upload your video on open educational resources, that is the YouTube. In this tutorial, I am giving a practical demonstration regarding this HD thumbnail making. So thumbnail is nothing but they are the poster of movie or your video, what you have designed, what you have created, and the presentation of your video in a single image, that is nothing but the thumbnail. The benefit of this thumbnail, it reach to viewers closer to the subject. So this is the one more benefit of this thumbnail making. And generally, it includes title or some keywords. Now, there are two methods of making thumbnails. So one is you can make thumbnail in your mobile, and second you can make thumbnail in your laptop or your computer. So when we go to the mobile, Android mobile, in Play Store, there are different apps. These apps include Canva, PicMonkey, Photojet, Backgrounder, iMovie. So these are the apps. Besides this, there are different types of app, and by using this app, you can make a thumbnail in a simple way. But in this tutorial, I am going to discuss about how to make HD thumbnail in your laptop or in your computer. So in your laptop, by using PPT, PowerPoint presentation, and how you can convert your PPT into the thumbnail. So that aspect I am going to discuss in this lesson. Second aspect also I am going to discuss in this tutorial, that is after creating your thumbnail, how to give thumbnail to your video on YouTube. That entire procedure I am giving in this tutorial in a very simple and practical way. So let's start the lesson. First you have to open Microsoft PowerPoint presentation to make thumbnail. So as soon as you open this, so just press on this new slide or Ctrl+M on the keyboard. Automatically the new slide will be there. So this is the simple interface of this new Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want make it HD thumbnail by using PPT, so this is the very simple method. So there are different options: insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow. But transition, animation and slideshow, so this is useful for your PowerPoint presentation. But you making thumbnail, so there is no need to transition, animations and slideshow. First, as soon as slide is open, you see, so there is one option that is called a design. In design, there are again different options: slide size and format background. As soon as you click on slide size, so there are different size. So standard, in which ratio is 4:3, whereas in widescreen ratio is 16:9. So for making thumbnail, you should select widescreen. That is one more thing. Then in home option, there are again different options are there: layout, reset section, so like that, arrange. So in this way. In second option, that is insert. Insert, you can add a new slide again here. If you want add table into your thumbnail, you can add. Okay. If you want add picture, you can add picture here. Screenshot, you can take screenshot of this particular interface. Okay. Then there are shapes are there, charts are there. Okay. By using this one, you can make a simple HD thumbnail in PowerPoint. Suppose I want to add photograph here for making a thumbnail. Suppose just this is a one photograph, and I want to add there for making a thumbnail. So just copy it and you can paste it. So it will be copied here and you can see, and by dragging this one you can decrease as well as increase the size of this photograph in particular slide. If you want change format of this particular photograph, so just by clicking this one you can change the format of this one. There are different options, you can select any one, but for making this I am selecting this one. Okay, so now you can again, if you want increase the corrections into this photograph, you can enhance the quality of this picture also. If you want remove the background of this particular photograph, you can remove the background also. So there are different options are there. Then go into design, format background. In format background, solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture, there are different patterns, you can select any one. Okay, so I want to fill solid fill and I am giving color to this one. So the color of this entire slide is like this, dark blue color is there. Okay, if we want add text, so go into different shapes. Okay, suppose I want to make a, so this is the shape and I want to insert here, and during insertion here you can add text. So here you can write training program, educational video creation, that is e-content development. Okay, by typing this text you can change the size of this particular text by using this. Okay, if you want change the font of this particular text, you can change font also. Suppose I want to give Cambria, so you can give Cambria. If you want bold, you can do the bold. If you want make italic to this particular font, you can make italic also. If you want give underline to this one, you can give underline to this particular also. Okay, so in this way you can give different effects. You can change color of this font also particular. If I want to give, you can change the text format. Okay, so here again different options are there, text options are there. You can give shadow effect. Okay, you can give reflection, you can give glow, you can give 3D effect. So here 3D effects are there. Okay, so you can give soft edges. So here glow option is there. Okay, if you want add one more box, so go into insert, text shape, and I want to add here this is the rectangle shape, and rectangle you can add. So I want to do big one, or font size I want to change, you can change the font size, and I want to give Cambria, or you can give Calibri Light, and you can make it coarse also. You can make a larger size to this particular font. So as soon as you want change this particular okay, box color, you can change a shape fill. Okay, so in this way you can decrease size of this particular text, and you can make lot of changes, whatever you want you can add into this particular slide. You can make thumbnail. So suppose this is final thumbnail, you can make more attractive than this also. Okay, so just save it, go file, save as. So this PC, desktop, and save it. There are different formats are there, you can save JPG, PNG, TIFF, so like that, but save in PNG format. So just go on this one and automatically it will be saved, just this one. See on the desktop, the final image is ready and this image is called as thumbnail. So now we have to upload whatever we have made thumbnail by using PowerPoint presentation, and that is saved in our E folder, that is training program. So this is thumbnail, and this thumbnail we have to upload on YouTube. So just go in Google. So here I have already logged my Google account, so just click on this here, YouTube. After this, I have already YouTube channel, so go into your channel, then go into customize channel. So here go into video, and you see here I have already uploaded a number of videos, but I want to change this thumbnail. So go into edit video option here. After this, here you can see video details, because after this video Datta sir tell you what is uploading process of YouTube, and in that they will give details regarding this video uploading on YouTube. YouTube is one of the open educational resource. Okay, so here you can see, so these thumbnails, these are the inbuilt which are given by the YouTube, but I want to change. I have already changed, but again I want to change this thumbnail. Just click on this one, right click on mouse, so just change it. So here we have made our thumbnail. Just click on this and open it. Automatically that thumbnail will be taken by this video, and save it. After saving this, when video you seen, the thumbnail of that particular video is look like this. How to make thumbnail and how to add on YouTube. So this is the procedure.